Welcome all of you. Good evening, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to present a PPT on the topic of CNC machines and CNC programming in the program of summer internship training. This is guided by the Dr. Kailash Chaudhary sir and presented by Harshit Madhuria. So first, introduce what is CNC machine. A CNC machine is computer numerical control machine that is controlled by the computer. By the CNC machine, there are two software needed for the operation. The first is CAD software, second is CAM software. CAD software is computer aided design which is used for make the 2D and 3D design that are our requirement, and CAM software is used for convert the design into the part programming. CAM is the full form is CAM, computer aided manufacturing. CNC machines are very commonly used in different industries for drilling, machining, finishing, part cutting and various processes. CNC machine is widely used in the manufacturing field because it increase the production rate and decrease cyclic time. Second, we understand about the component of CNC machine. CNC machine has many components, head stock, bed, chuck, telestock wheel, foot switches or pedal, CNC control panel and tool trunk. This diagram shows various components of CNC machine. The first one shows headstock, second bed, third one chuck, fourth telestock, fifth telestock wheel, sixth foot switches or pedal, seventh CNC control panel, eighth is turn tool. The first one is headstock. Headstock is a main component of CNC machine. The headstock is directly attached to the servo motor, and after that it is attached with main spindle, and main spindle is attached with the chuck. The second one is bed. Bed is a hardest part in the CNC machine. On the bed, the tool trunk is moving over the bed. The tool trunk is moving over the bed. The third one is chuck. Chuck is used to hold the workpiece in the jaws. The fourth one is telestock and fifth is telestock wheel. Telestock is provide the support of the workpiece. And telestock wheel is also kind of supporting device that is used to support the workpiece at the time of operation, just like knurling and threading. When we are using to apply such operations, knurling and threading, then we must use the telestock wheel. Seventh, the sixth is foot switch or pedal. Foot switch or pedal is used to open and close the chuck. Open the chuck when remove the metal and remove the workpiece, and close the chuck for hold the workpiece in the chuck. Seventh is the control panel. The control panel have various buttons that is used to control the feed rate, spindle rate, coolant supply and other operations. The operations is done by the programming. The controls is done by the programming code, but when we require the feed rate to increase and decrement, then we use a manual control panel. The eighth one is the tool trunk. Tool trunk has many tools for cutting, drilling, knurling and other operations. These tools cut the metal and perform the operations. When we want to change the tool, then tool automatically change the tool for their operations according. Elements of the CNC machine. What is the element of CNC machine system? Because this is very useful to understand the working of CNC machine. The first one is program, second is tape reader, third is mini computer, fourth servo system, fifth CNC machine. The first one is program. Program is entered in the computer by the keyboard, and this is the program is entered in the computer by the keyboard when the program is written by a human. If the program is converted by the CAM software, then directly put the program in the computer. Z codes are N code, G code, XYZ code and F code to control the devices, to control the system. Second is tape reader. Tape reader is a storage device that stores the program in it. We can easily edit the program in the tape reader. If we find any correction and to improve our design, then we use to edit the program easily. The third one is mini computer. Mini computer is a machine control unit which convert part programming into desired movement, because the part programming have the instruction, but this mini computer convert into the desired movement of devices. It controls following functions. First one is start and stop machine spindle. It can start and stop the machine spindle. Second is control the spindle speed and direction of rotation of spindle. Third one is start and stop the coolant supply. Fourth is change the tool as per requirement. Fifth, control the feed rate. The mini computer has also a diagnostic software for checking that there is no error or there is no problem in the CNC machine. If the diagnostic software find any problem in the machine, then it stop the machine thoroughly. Next is servo system. Servo system is useful to receive the control signal from the feedback devices and the set output accordingly. Servo system mainly consists of three parts. The first one is servo motor, second feedback devices, third ball screws. Servo motor is useful to the movement of the devices such as cutting tool, the movement of the cutting tool, the movement of the workpiece. Second one is feedback devices. Feedback devices is a device that check the program at the operation time and match the program and match the ideal program from the operation time program. This device is useful to check the program from the operation side to the mini computer. The third one is the ball screws. Ball screws is a screw that convert the translation motion into the linear motion. It have a helical grooves that convert the rotational motion into the translation motion. The next one is CNC machine. CNC system has, according to diagram, component: the program, tape reader, mini computer, servo system and CNC machine tool. CNC machine tool is useful to make the final product. This diagram shows the feedback system that takes the program, that takes the operation program in the servo system. Types of CNC machine. The next one is types of CNC machine. CNC machines are many types, such as CNC lathe machine, CNC milling machine, CNC router machine, CNC laser cutting machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, 5-axis machine, 3D printer, pick and place machine. The first one is CNC lathe machine. CNC lathe machine are widely used in the manufacturing field or industrial field. CNC lathe machines have stationary cutting tool. In the CNC machine, the cutting tool is in stationary position and the workpiece is in rotational position. The workpiece is held in the chuck and the chuck is rotating very fast and move linear directions. Second, it is useful for turning, knurling, grooving, facing and threading. Second one is CNC milling machine. CNC milling machine are mostly used in the industrial field. The workpiece is in the rest position but the cutting tool is moving. It is used for make the slots, flat surface, boring and gear cutting. Next one is CNC router machine. CNC router machine is mostly used for carpentry work such as door carving, interior and exterior decorations, wood panels, signboards, wooden frames, molding musical instruments, furniture and so on. CNC router machine is worked on softer materials, not hardened materials. It gives the better surface finishing. So the most of the wood and carpentry industries are used CNC router machine. Next one is CNC laser cutting machine. CNC laser cutting machine is a fabrication process which employs a focused high power laser beam to cut the material into custom shapes and designs. A laser beam is used to cut the metal. The laser cutting is a non-contact method because no one part of the CNC machine touch with the metal to cut the part. Only laser is used to cut the part. The laser cutting is a non-contact method and thermal based fabrication process suitable for metal or non-metal material. But the CNC laser cutting machine is very costly because the cost of CNC laser cutting machine is very high and used in different industries but for lesser time. CNC plasma cutting machine. CNC plasma cutting machine cuts the electric conductive materials using an accelerated jet of hot plasma. By the hot plasma, it cuts the electric conductive materials. The electric conductive materials are steel, stainless steel, aluminium, brass, copper and other conductive materials. The CNC plasma cutting machine is used in the fabrication shops, automotive repairs and restoration, industrial construction and salvage and scraping operations. Next one is 3D printer. 3D printer is used for make the 3D objects. It printed the workpiece layer by layer. The 3D printer uses the FDM technique. It means fusion deposition modeling technique. In this technique, the material which are used to make the workpiece is in the liquid form that makes the object by layer. The 3D printer is used for make the prototype and complex shapes and geometries. The next one is the 5-axis CNC machine. 5-axis CNC machine is the advanced CNC machine because it has additional 2 axes. The 5 axis is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, a-axis and b-axis. X, y, z-axis is the linear axis, but a and b axis is the rotational axis. A is the horizontal rotational axis, B is the vertical rotational axis. This machine has an ability to move a tool or a part in the 5 different axes simultaneously. This machine look like a figure. The 5-axis machine is used for make the complex shapes such as Y. For example, a 5-axis CNC machine also make a human skull with very precisely. Last one is the pick and place CNC machine. Pick and place CNC machine. According to their name, this machine pick a thing from one place to the another and put another place. This is very used in the this is mostly used in the industries, because in the industries there are very weighted product which is used to place put and place another where. So to reduce the labor cost and time, this machine is mostly used in industries. Just as example of an Amazon, the Amazon company has many variety of items. So adjust the items, this machine is used in the room. This machine is used in the room where the many items are placed here. Last topic is the challenges and limitation. What are the challenges we are facing in the CNC machine? The first one is complex geometry, second data processing, third sizable cost, fourth expensive repairs, fifth loss of expertise, sixth errors. First is complex geometries. CNC machines cut the material in the linear pattern or circular pattern, but there are some complex shapes that the CNC machine cannot work in it. So some researchers are working on this field to improve the CNC machine to make various type of complex shapes, such as 5-axis machine is the advanced CNC machine, and today in the market there is a 7-axis machine also. Second is the data processing. Data processing is a challenge for the CNC machine, because the CNC machine is a complex mixture of hardware and software. Software is used to run the program. The timing to run the program, the execution of the program take the time. So the data processing have take the time. If the execution of the program takes the long time, so the production rate take higher time to make the product. Third one is a sizable cost. The cost of the CNC machine is very high. So the first cost to set up the CNC machine is very high, but after a long time it gives the profit in the industries, because the industries make the product in a very large quantity. So it is very effective for the industries. Fourth is the expensive repair. The CNC machines have the highest cost and also have the maintenance cost is very higher. If any part of CNC machine is broken, then the repairing cost is very high, because it needed a very expertise faculty of CNC machine. The fifth one is a loss of expertise. The CNC machine is not necessary to a skilled operator. A semi-skilled operator is required for the CNC machine. But if there is facing any problem in the CNC machine, there is required a highly professional skilled operator to solve the problem in the CNC machine. So there is a loss of expertise in the CNC machine. The fifth one is the errors. There is no machine that is fully error free. So CNC machine have some errors, but the researcher is working on this field to reduce the error of CNC machine, because the CNC machines have error very less, but we want to reduce error very lesser to lesser. So CNC machine is very important for the industries field and manufacturing field. So thank you.